Just if you're just starting out on your YouTube and you feel overwhelmed, that what tools can I use, what can I get, what should I download, what should I do to take my YouTube journey to the next steps. So today I'm going to share with you some of the tools that I use, from clueless to confidence, and they are beginners friendly, free, stress free for you. I have my notepad here that I've written some things on it, so when you see me looking down, I'm trying to get one or two things from there. So let's get into it. Okay, one, you need ChatGPT or vidIQ. You need ChatGPT or vidIQ on your phone. Download ChatGPT or vidIQ on your, because these tools will help you when you're making your content plan. That's where content plan comes in. When you have your content plan, when you've gotten your content idea, you take it to ChatGPT or vidIQ to ask them, or to ask it, this is the content I have in mind. Can you help me do this? Can you help me do that? So ChatGPT will help you plan out a content. We give you prompts. If it is a content that you want to do for 1 week, 3 weeks, 4 months, is there for you. ChatGPT will help you do that. So by then, you now plan a content calendar. Content calendar means this is my content type, this is my script, this is when I'm editing, this is when I'm shooting, this is when I'm posting, this is where I'm posting it to on Instagram by this time, I'm posting on Facebook by this time, I'm posting on TikTok by this time. So you need to have a content calendar. And for you to generate a content calendar, you need to have ChatGPT on your phone to generate those ideas. You tell ChatGPT, this is what I need to do, this is what I do, this is my niche. I need you to help me with this content calendar that will help me keep my audience entertained. Just whatever you know that you're doing, that is what you should tell ChatGPT. So when you have a content calendar, it will help you to stay focused. It will help you to stay consistent. It will make you plan your day and plan every other thing you're doing. It will be so easy for you than you trying to run around. What am I going to post today? What am I going to shoot today? When you have a content calendar, you might use it for a week, for a month, for 2 weeks, for 2 months, depending on how you plan it. So once you look at a content calendar, you'll be able to say, this is what I want to do today. You can even set a reminder for it so that it can remind you that this is what you have to do today. It's time. Start posting, start editing, start filming. Another one is Google Trend. Okay, Google Trend, based on your niche, you will use Google Trend to search for what is trending on your niche. So when you use Google Trend to search for what is trending on your niche, you will see where Google will tell you that people also search for this. When you see it, you will now know, okay, I want to create content based on this, because this is what people are searching on my niche. That is what you need to do. You can use Google Trend because it is what people are searching that will make you succeed. It is what your audience wants that will make you succeed. But you're going to do this based on your niche. You have to go and search what your niche really wants, what they are searching for on the Google engine. Another thing you need is equipment. So you need a phone, iPhone, a good Android. You need a tripod stand. You need a microphone. You need lightning. So as it is now, I am filming with natural light. I have ring light, but as it is, there's no light. So I'm using my ring light to film, and I'm using my Canva 40 Pro to film. I don't have an iPhone, so I'm using the holder of my ring light to act as a tripod. You can also do that. You don't really need to get all those big equipment before you start. You can start with what you have. I am filming with natural light. There's no artificial light here, but if you have money to invest in light, you can do that. Another thing you need to do is to download YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio should be your best friend, your boyfriend, like your everything. As in, when you wake up and say your prayer to God and say, God, thank you for keeping me alive, thank you for making me to see this day, the next place you should be heading to is your YouTube Studio. Yes, is your YouTube Studio. Because YouTube Studio gives you an insight of how your channel is doing, of how your content is performing. YouTube channel tells you everything you need to know about your content. So from there, if you're somebody that is trying to pick a niche, from your YouTube Studio, you'll be able to know the content that are doing well. So you should focus more energy on those content that are doing well. From there, you are getting your niche. Means everything that has to do with your content is on your YouTube Studio. Just make sure as a content creator, as a YouTuber, you have your YouTube studio and you visit your YouTube studio. You don't have anything like going on your normal YouTube page. It's your YouTube studio that will tell you what to do, that will tell you the type of content you should create, because this is what your audience actually wants. This is what they actually like. Do you understand? So YouTube studio is very, very, very important. So you get Canva. Canva is an app for YouTube thumbnail. So if you want your video to come out well, if you want your video, like, yes, if you want your video to come out well, thumbnail is what people consume first. That is what they consume first before coming to you, before clicking on the video, because the thumbnail attracted them. They saw the thumbnail, they feel like, yes, they can relate to this. That's why they come to your video. That's why they come to your content to consume it. So you have to get a Canva on your phone. Download the Canva app on your phone. You can use it to create your thumbnail, your carousel, your flyer. Canva does a lot of things for content creators. So get Canva, or you get a Photoshop. I don't know about that, but the one I'm telling you is the one I use, and I use the free version of Canva on my phone. I don't pay for Canva. I use it for free. It's for free. For editing, you need to download InShot. Get InShot app on your phone, or CapCut. But as we all know, CapCut is now on Pro. Even InShot, there are some features on InShot that is on Pro. But for me, I use InShot, and it has been so easy for me to be using InShot. So for your filming equipment, shouldn't stop you from being a YouTuber, shouldn't stop you from doing your Instagram, shouldn't stop you from doing your TikTok. I am using my ring light and the holder of my ring light. I am using a natural light at the moment to film. I don't have a mic. I don't have a tripod stand. So I am making use of the equipment that is available to me. But if you have money to invest in all those things, since you're not yet monetized, you can do it. But if you don't have, make use of the available tools that are close to you. So my name is Debbie. I am a content strategist. If you find this video interesting, please hit on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel so that you will know when I drop a new content. Thank you.